Hey, it's me. Welcome to my channel. Today we will show you 10 amazing facts. Let's get started. Number 10. A bunch of bananas. Did you know that a bunch of bananas is called a hand? Yes, a bunch of bananas is called a hand. Each individual banana in the bunch is known as a finger. So the next time you see a bunch of bananas, remember they are not just bananas, they are a hand of bananas. No. 9. DNA strands. Did you know that if you uncoiled one strand of your DNA and laid it out flat, it will be about 2 meters long? That's almost 7 feet. All the information in your body from your eye color to your height is stored in this tiny strand. No. 8. A wombat. Did you know that wombats have to be the cutest little animals on the planet? These furry balls of fluff live in Australia and can grow up to 35 pounds. They spend their days looking for food and their nights sleeping with their moms. Number 7, an astronaut in space. Did you know that an astronaut's heart can stop beating in space? That's because there's no gravity. And when your heart stops beating, you die. So astronauts have to be careful when they go into space. They need to make sure that their hearts don't stop beating. One way they do this is by taking medicine that makes their hearts beat faster. No. 6. A jellyfish. Did you know that some jellyfish can glow in the dark? That's right. They can glow in the dark. And it's all because of a protein called a green fluorescent protein. This protein absorbs light energy and then emits it as a blue or green glow. Scientists are still trying to figure out why some jellyfish have this ability, but they think it might help them hide from predators. Or maybe it's just a cool trick. Either way, these glowing jellyfish are definitely a sight to see. No. 5. An octopus. Did you know that an octopus has 3 hearts? 2 of its hearts pump blood through its body, and the 3rd heart pumps blood around its gills so that it can breathe. Octopuses are also really smart. They're actually the smartest invertebrates on the planet. They can solve mazes, open jars, and even recognize themselves in mirrors. Number 4. The Eiffel Tower. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower was built as a temporary structure? Yeah, it was supposed to be taken down after 20 years, but it's still standing today over 100 years later. The Eiffel Tower was built for the 1889 World's Fair in Paris and was meant to be a symbol of France's industrial power. The Parisians hated it at first. They thought it was ugly and dangerous, but eventually they grew to love it, and now it is one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. No. 3. Planet Venus. Did you know that on planet Venus, it rains sulfuric acid bigger than grizzly bears? It's true. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, even though it's not the closest planet to the sun. That's Mercury. The reason Venus is so hot is because of its thick atmosphere. The atmosphere traps heat and then releases it back down onto the surface. And because Venus doesn't have any water, the heat just keeps building up. If you were to step foot on Venus, you would be met with temperatures of 462 degrees Celsius, which is 863 degrees Fahrenheit. You wouldn't last very long. No. 2. An old man. Did you know that the average lifespan of a human being is increasing every year? In 1950, the average lifespan was 48 years old. Today it's over 70, and by 2050 it's projected to reach 80. So if you were born today, you could live to be 80 years old, or even longer. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the first person to live to 100. No. 1. A human stomach. Now this is really cool. When you eat, your stomach acids break down your food. The acids in your stomach are ranked from 0 to 14. The lower the pH, the stronger the acid. Your stomach acids are between 1 and 2 picohenries. That means they're 100 times stronger than vinegar, which is pretty weak. The strongest acid ever discovered is called fluoroantimonic acid. It has a pH of -31. That's S10 to the 31st power times stronger than your stomach acid. No wonder you can digest anything from steak to gummy worms. Thanks for watching. See you next time.